If you've ever finished editing in Premiere Pro and then realized your export is saving to the wrong folder, this video is going to save you a ton of time. Today, I'm going to show you how to change the export location in Premiere Pro quickly and easily so you can send every finished video exactly where you want it. This is a really simple workflow tip, but once you know it, it makes exporting much smoother and a lot more organized. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more Premiere Pro tutorials and editing tips. Alright, let's jump in. In Premiere Pro 2026, the fastest way to change your export location is directly inside the Export tab. You can get there by clicking the Export tab at the top left of the interface, or by using the shortcut Ctrl+M on Windows or Command+M on Mac. As soon as the Export panel opens, look near the top center of the screen for the Location section. This is where Premiere Pro shows you the current save path for your exported file. Now here's the key step. Click the blue text, which is the file path itself. Once you click it, your computer's File Explorer or folder window will open, allowing you to choose a different location. From here, browse to the folder where you want your export to be saved. You might choose a desktop folder, a project folder, an external drive, or a dedicated exports folder so everything stays organized. Once you've selected the new folder, click Save on Windows or Open on Mac to confirm the location. And that's it. Premiere Pro will now export your video to the new folder you selected. This is especially useful if you're working on multiple projects, backing up files to an external drive, or just trying to keep your renders organized instead of hunting through random folders later. A quick tip before you export. If you do this often, try keeping a consistent export folder structure for each project. That way, your final videos, social media versions, and review exports are always easy to find. So to recap, open the Export tab, go to the Location section, click the blue file path, choose your folder, and save it. That's the fastest way to change your export location in Premiere Pro. If this helped you out, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Premiere Pro tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.